Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back to our social class. In our previous classes, we learnt about our history, isn't it? Yeah, and now it's time to revise the lesson towards history. Stone Age is the age where stones were used as weapons, and it is divided into Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic age. This Stone Age is also called as prehistory or prehistoric period, as it was the period before the invention of script. Let's see in detail about the Paleolithic age or Old Stone Age. In this Old Stone Age, people did not know how to farm. They were mostly food gatherers and hunters. As we all know, many years ago, early humans lived in jungle. They did not know how to build house. So, they spent their time on the trees or hid themselves behind the bushes or in caves. They ate fruits from trees or roots of plants. They hunted animals and ate them raw, as they did not know how to cook food. And it was believed that at some point of time, early man saw forest fires and noted how wild animals get scared of it. It is possible that man accidentally tasted meat that was burned in fire. He noticed that the meat was softer and tastier than the raw flesh. Gradually, he discovered how to produce fire, and it is believed while making tools, the early man came to know that fire can be created by rubbing stones against each other. The stones which easily catch fire are called as flint stones. Of course, fire was the first and very useful discovery of man. It made life very easy and comfortable. Next, we move on to the Mesolithic age, which is also called as Middle Stone Age. Here, early man ate fruits and threw seeds here and there. As they are keen observers, he found that crops grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall, thus, they developed the art of cultivation. Then he began to tame animals. Dog was the first animal to be domesticated. Later, he began to keep animals like goat, sheep, and he used animal to plough the land. Agriculture and domestication of animals brought about great changes in the life of early man. Later, he chose to live near river valleys because water was available and soil was fertile to grow crops. And then they made tent-like huts to live. Next to Mesolithic age is the Neolithic age, which is also called as New Stone Age. Here, man did his first invention, which is the invention of wheel. Before the invention of wheel, early human hunt animals for their food and carried them on their backs to their caves. Later, they used sledge to pull heavy loads. It was difficult to pull a sledge with the load. Then they started pulling sledges with the help of animals. One day, early man saw a round stone rolling down the hill. From this, he got an idea of wheel. The first wheel must have been round log of wood. He cut round slice from a log of wood and made a hole in its center. Thus, the first wheel was invented, and it made man's life easy. Wheels were put to various uses. Next, let's move on to the age of metals, which began 7,000 years ago when humans started making metal objects. The age of metal was a true milestone in the human history because metal tools are stronger than stone tools. These tools were used to hunt and to cultivate. This improvement in farming and agriculture result in more food, which in turn result in more population. First metal to be discovered was copper. This period is called as Chalcolithic Age, where copper and stone tools were used. The discovery of metal was an event of great importance. Artisans found copper useful for making various tools and ornaments. Copper was the first metal to be discovered by man, like fire and agriculture. Copper seems to be an accidental discovery. Man discovered that it could be shaped into any form. In the course of time, copper was mixed with tin to produce bronze. And finally, iron, which is much more abundant mineral and easier to find in nature. Bronze is a hard metal where early man used in making weapons to hunt animals. Iron is also very hard metal and very resistant metal. People need both iron and bronze to make weapons and tools. People melted them in oven, heating them up at very high temperature. Molten liquid metals were poured into a mold, forming desired shapes and making different objects. This process is called as metallurgy. It took place during the age of metals. Next, let's see the difference between Paleolithic and Mesolithic age. When speaking about time period, Paleolithic age extends roughly between 5 lakhs to 10,000 BC, whereas Neolithic age extends roughly 8,000 to 4,000 BC. And in Paleolithic, people were food gatherers. They wandered in search of food. And in Neolithic age, people were food producers as they produced their own food. In Paleolithic age, people wandered from one place to another in search of food. So they were called as nomads. Whereas in Neolithic period, they started to settle down near rivers and lakes. When we speak about the shelter, in Paleolithic, early humans lived in caves or branches of trees, whereas in Neolithic, they made huts made of straw and mud. In Paleolithic, people covered themselves with animal skins and bark of trees, whereas in Neolithic, beside animal skins, they had clothes to wear. And finally, when we speak about the tools which are used in Paleolithic, they are crude stone tools, whereas in Neolithic, tools were very much improved. They were smaller and sharper. Hope you all understood. Okay children, come, let's try this evaluation part. Come on, try to answer. Paleolithic humans or A. Cotton clothes, B. Leaves and animal skin, C. Woolen clothes. Yeah, you're right. It's B. Leaves and animal skin. Next one. The first animal tamed by early humans was... Yeah, you're right. It's dog. Very good, children. Yeah, next one. The first metal invented by early human was... Yes, it's copper. The stone used to produce fire was... Yes, it's flint stones. Neolithic age is also called as... Yeah, it's New Stone Age. Bravo, children. Come, let's try this fill in the blanks. Early man lived in jungle. Very good. The first invention of man was... Yeah, you're right. It's wheel. Very good. Next. Bronze was produced by the combination of copper and tin. Copper age is also called as Chalcolithic age. And the last one. Early man led a dash life. Nomadic life. Okay, next let's try to differentiate the Paleolithic age with Neolithic age. For this, you need to draw a tabular column like this. And let's start with the time period. 5 lakhs to 10,000 BC is the time period for Paleolithic age, whereas 8,000 to 4,000 BC is the time period for Neolithic age. In Paleolithic age, people were food gatherers, whereas in Neolithic, they were food producers. Next, let's speak about the existence. In Paleolithic, they led nomadic life, whereas in Neolithic, people led a settled life. Next, let's speak about their shelter. In Paleolithic age, people lived in caves or in bushes, whereas in Neolithic, they made house of mud and straw. Next, let's learn about their clothes. In Paleolithic age, people covered themselves with animal skin or bark of trees, whereas in Neolithic, they had clothes to wear. And finally, let's look at their tools. Crude and blunt tools were used in Paleolithic, whereas sharp and improved tools were used in Neolithic age. Hope you're clear, children. Kindly stop using your mobile phones unnecessarily, as it is hazardous to your health. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.